In this video, I'll be showing you how to show the dance store on your TikTok account. For that, the process is very simple and easy. And if you're new to the video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like the video, share the video, and comment into the video so you guys can not miss any future updates. So what you have to do is go to your stand store and create a new stand store if you don't have one. I'll provide the stance rolling in the description below so you guys can check it out. All you have to do is to go to the sign up option and keep all the details and credentials you have. And after creating your account, you'll able to create a stance store. Copy the stance store link that you have and go to your profile of the TikTok. In the TikTok profile, go to the settings and make your account a business account. Don't make account private. So go to the business account and enable it. So simply, once you have done that, what next you have to do is go back and add the link in the bio of the TikTok account. That way you will be able to show the stand store to your profile on the TikTok. So that is pretty much it. If you find this video helpful, take care. Bye bye.